Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to go ahead and create an ebook using Canva mobile. If you're actually new to the YouTube channel, guys, consider subscribing to the channel. So straight away, in order for you to go ahead and create an ebook on Canva, it's very easy. All you have to do is click on the plus icon, make sure you're logged in into your account, and what you want to do, guys, is to click on the plus icon, then search for A4 paper, then click on it. Okay, so because in order for you to go ahead and create an ebook, you need to make use of A4 paper, and you can actually create an ebook depending on the format you want to make use of. But ebook is creating an ebook, you need to make use of an A4 paper. So you're going to click on A4 document, and once you click on A4 document, it's going to open the A4, or you're going to create a document. Going to create a page, the page size for the A4 paper and every single thing. So what you just have to do is to go ahead and start writing every single thing you want to do, and from there you can go ahead and download the PDF. I'm going to show you how to do every single thing right here in this video, so make sure you watch this video to the end. So as you can see right here, if I slide this down, you can see that my A4 is ready right now. My A4 is ready. So in order for me to reduce the stress of having to create all my pages, I can just come right here on this template section, and from this template section I can search for a template, or I can scroll down and make use of any of the templates available right here. So as you can see right here, there is this first template available that says how to grow your brand on social media. So I can click on this and apply all 7 pages. Okay, this will help me reduce the stress of having to create all my pages for my ebook. Okay, so as you can see right now, I've done that. So you can, this is the first copy, this is the front page. Then we have other pages. As you can see right here, this is other pages. This is page 2, page 3, page 4, page 5, page 6, page 7. Okay, so as you can see right here, so let's say we have all this. Let's say this is the ebook and you want to go ahead and download your ebook. It's very easy. All you have to do is click on this download button, and once you click on this download button, what you want to do is it's going to prepare your design, and it's going to download your design into your mobile phone as a PDF format. Okay, and you can also select any format you want. If you want it to be in form of PNG, but ebook are best downloaded in PDF. All right, so as you can see, it's still loading. Okay, so once you have that downloaded, you can go ahead and share your PDF wherever you want to share it. And if you want to also go ahead and do certain things to your PDF, like edit it, you can actually go ahead and do that by editing the title right here. I can click on it, and once I click on this section, double click, then I can go ahead and rename or type whatever I want. I can also change the font of this. I can change the font of this by clicking on it and select this font section and search for the font I want, or I can select any fonts right here. And you'll be limited to the kind of fonts you can actually use, because we have free fonts and paid fonts. In order for you to use the pro fonts, you need to pay for it. Okay, you need to pay for it by upgrading your Canva account to the Canva Pro. But you can actually go ahead and create ebook PDFs on your Canva mobile for free without having to pay any dime. I can also go ahead and delete all this. I'm just going to go ahead and select all. I'll delete all, then show you how to go ahead and create a PDF from scratch again. So let me say, for example, this I want to create a PDF. You can actually have some some random text here. Let's just say some random text here. Let's say title of my ebook. Then you can click on this page icon, then click on this page icon, then click on add new. Then you're going to add on that page, which is page 2, and you can click on this plus to keep on adding more pages to your ebook. So once you're done with that, you can click on this cancel icon, then you can slide and to see all your other pages. So as you can see right here, these are your pages. So this is the font page of the ebook, and this is the page 2, page 3, page 4, page 5. And you can go ahead and write on all these pages if you want by clicking on the plus icon and clicking on add text. So once you click on that text, you can go ahead and add text to this, to the this. I can change this and say copyright 2019. You can also make this book look cool if you want. You can make this book look cool if you want. I can also change this. Let me change it to the current date. 2022. So you can also make your ebook look cool by adding graphics and every single thing if you want to make it look catchy and you want to make sales from it. So you can do that by adding graphics to it. By coming to the elements section, you can select shapes, arrows, you can add images and all to your ebook. So this is how you can actually go ahead and create ebook on Canva mobile. And with that said, if you actually enjoyed the video, guys, kindly subscribe to the channel and also don't forget to leave a like on this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now and see you guys in another video.